the variety of life MCQs. MCQs number 1. So far over number of species of animals are known. Option A 10 million, option B 1000 million, option C 250 million, option D none of these. The correct option is option C 250 million. MCQs number 2. Which of the following category is most general with its membrane less resembling with each other than the other categories? Species, genus, family, order. The correct option is option D, order. MCQs number 3. Solanum tuberosum is a scientific name of onion, amalthus, potato or tomato. The correct option is option C, potato. MCQs number 4. Helium Kippa is a scientific name of onion, amalthus, potato or tomato. The correct option is option B, amalthus. MCQs number 5. Those organisms which can prepare their own food from simple inorganic material and can store energy are called autotrophs, heterotrophs, prokaryotic or eukaryotic. The correct option is option A, autotrophs. MCQs number 6. Which of the Euglena protesta character resembles that of animals? They can move, they lack a cell wall, they do not have chlorophyll. Both option A and B. The correct option is option D, both option A and B. MCQs number 7. The word which E. Catton suggested for bacteria and blue-green algae was autotrophs, heterotrophs, prokaryotics or eukaryotic. The correct option is option C, prokaryotics. नेक्स्ट MCQ पर जाने से पहले आप लोगों से गुजारिश है कि अगर आप लोगों ने इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो काइंडली इसको सब्सक्राइब कर लें और बेल आइकन दबा दें ताकि नेक्स्ट आने वाली वीडियोस आप तक ईजिली पहुंच सके. MCQs नंबर 8. Organism of which of the following kingdom have an observative mode of nutrition? Option A, prokaryote, option B, protista, C, animalia, fungi. The correct option is option D, fungi. MCQs number 9. Which of the following organism have a chitin as a major structural component of their cell wall? Prokaryotes, protista, plantae or fungi. The correct option is option D, fungi. MCQs number 10. Five kingdom classification was proposed by Carolus Linnaeus, E. Catton, Robert Whittaker, Lan Margulis and Karlin Schwartz. Correct option is option C, Robert Whittaker. MCQs number 11. Amoeba belongs to which kingdom? Prokaryota, Plantae, Monera or Protista. The correct option is option D, Protista. MCQs number 12. Kingdom Protista includes prokaryotic organisms, unicellular organisms, fungi, eukaryotic organisms. The correct option is option C, fungi. Another name of kingdom Monera is Protista. Option B is prokaryote. Option C is archaea. Option D is none of these. The correct option is option B, prokaryote. MCQs number 14. The word virus is derived from the Latin word venom meaning sweet fluid, sour fluid, poisonous fluid or salty fluid. The correct option is option C, poisonous fluid. MCQs number 15. DNA or RNA of virus includes in code: protein code, carbohydrate code, lipid code, DNA code. The correct option is option A, protein code. MCQs number 16. Vaccine was discovered by Louis Pasteur, Edward Jenner, Ivanovsky or Stanley. The correct option is option B, Edward Jenner. MCQs number 17. The name of bacteriophage was coined by Charles Chamberlain, Ivanovsky, Twalt or D. Harley. The correct option is option D. Harley. MCQs number 18. Size of smallest virus is 10 nm, 20 nm, 30 nm, 40 nm. Correct option is option B, 20 nm. MCQs number 19. The size of pox virus is 20 nm, 200 nm, 250 nm or 300 nm. The correct option is option C, 250 nm. 20 viruses are smaller than bacteria: 10 to 100 times, 10 to 1000 times, 100 to 1000 times, 100 to 10,000 times. The correct option is option B, 10 to 1000 times. MCQ number 21. Which of the statement about viruses is incorrect? A. We cannot grow them in laboratories on artificial media. They are an obligate intercellular parasite. They can synthesize their nucleic acid. They are resistant to most of antibiotic treatment. The incorrect option is option C. They can synthesize their nucleic acid. Is not correct statement for a virus. MCQs number 22. The protein subunit of capsids are called capsomers. Is the characteristic of each viruses. The number in herpes viruses is 100, 152, 162, 172. The correct option is option C, 162. MCQ number 23. The protein code that capsid of adenovirus is surrounded by genome, surrounding genome, surrounding the envelope, both B and C. The correct option is option B, surrounding genome. MCQ number 24. The agent of controversial nature causing mad cow infection is bacteria, cowpox virus, adenovirus or prion. Correct option is option D, prion. MCQ number 25. A virion is a virus, viral protein, viral lysosomes, viral gene. The correct option is option A, virus. An isolated virus is not considered living since it separates into two inner parts, cannot metabolize, rapidly loses its genomic chemical element, is coated with an airtight shield. The correct option is option B, cannot metabolize. 27. Bacteriophage that infect E. coli are called M type, N type, T type or S type. The correct option is option C, T type. MCQ number 28. Attachment of bacteriophage with receptor site on bacterial cell wall involves strong covalent between virion and receptor, weak chemical union between them. Both option A and B, none of these. The correct option is option B, weak chemical union between them. MCQ number 29. In the life cycle of bacteriophage, which step occur after the attachment of porophage with receptor site on bacterial cell wall? Absorption, multiplication, lysogency or penetration. The correct option is option D, penetration. MCQs number 30. Which of the following is incorrect for the lysogenic cycle? Lysogenic cycle in the life cycle of bacteriophage. Phage, when gets incorporated with bacterial chromosome, is called prophage. The bacterium continues to live and reproduce normally. Lysogenic bacteria may get infection by the related phage. The cycle may convert into lytic type resulting for environmental response. The correct option is option C. Lysogenic bacteria may get infection by the related phage. MCQ number 31. In the lysogenic cycle, the process of separation of phage DNA from host chromosomes and initiate the lytic cycle is called lysis, lysogency, induction or adsorption. The correct option is option C. It is called induction. MCQ number 32. In lytic cycle of bacteriophage, the host DNA is replicate, turn off by protein coat, digested into its nucleotide, turn on by removal of protein coat. The correct option is option C. Digested into its nucleotides. MCQ number 33. In the lysogenic cycle, the DNA of bacteriophage joins the bacterial chromosomes attached to the inner surface of the host membrane, is immediately degraded with into the host, goes directly to the host ribosome for translation. The correct option is option A. Join the bacterial chromosomes. MCQ number 34. The temperate phage may exist as porophage, capsid, viron, retrovirus. Correct option is option A. Porophage. MCQ number 35. Tobacco mosaic virus is a spherical, rod-shaped, tadpole-like or hexagonal shape of viruses. The correct option is option B. Rod-shaped. MCQ number 36. Which of the following is an RNA viruses? Influenza viruses, herpes viruses, HBV or pox virus. The correct option is option A. Influenza virus. MCQ number 37. Which of the following disease result in paralysis due to viral attack on central nervous system? Measles, herpes simplex, hepatitis or polio. The correct option is option D. Polio. (38) An enzyme which can convert single-strand RNA into double-strand DNA is called DNase, RNase, DNA polymerase or reverse transcriptase. The correct option is option D. Reverse transcriptase. MCQ number 39. Which of the following viruses has specific application with the tumor production? Hepatitis viruses, retroviruses, polioviruses or pox viruses. The correct option is option B. Retroviruses. MCQ number 40. Which of the following is a smallest known viruses? Hepatitis, retro, polio or pox. The correct option is option C. Polio virus is a very small.